Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be learning the last part of the lesson Nutrition in Plants of class 7th. In the previous video, we had studied about liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. Now, let us study about digestion in grass-eating animals. Have you ever observed cows, sheep and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? This is because they quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of their stomach called as rumen. The food gets partially digested in the rumen and is called as cud. Later, the cud returns to the mouth and the animal chews it. The process in which the cud returns to the mouth in the small lumps and animal chews it is called as rumination. And these animals are called as ruminants. Grass is rich in cellulose, which is a type of carbohydrate. Bacteria present in the rumen helps in the digestion of cellulose. Next, let us learn about feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled microscopic organism found on water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called as pseudopodia or false feet for its movement and captures the food. This food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Here, digestive juices are secreted and the food is broken down into simpler substances. The digested food is absorbed and is used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested food is thrown out by the vacuole. Now, let us take a quick look at the summary points. Grass-eating animals store the swallowed food in a part of the stomach called rumen. The partially digested food in the rumen is called as cud. The grass is rich in cellulose, which is a type of carbohydrate. Amoeba is a single-celled microscopic organism found in pond water. Amoeba uses pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. In amoeba, the digested food is absorbed and is used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos.